So we're really excited. Today we're at Middle College High School and we are having the drone showdown. So it is going to be between East T-STEM and Middle College. They've been working so hard the last 4 months learning how to fly the drones, how to build the drones, and today is the big day.
So far it's looking just like almost I predicted, us being on top, and I won't say I didn't expect the other team to go the way they did, but we're going to show that we're going to be number one.
So initially we started off with just teaching them how to fly drones, and then from that point we were giving them different careers that they can use with the drones. But we noticed the kids were kind of like, okay, hey, I want a little bit more engaging. So what we do is we mix a little bit of getting your Part 107 license, which allows you to make money with it, and then also having fun, which is the racing portion of it as well.
Really, main thing, teamwork. You get to work with a team. Second, you get to fly a $1,200 drone, and it goes up to 60 miles per hour. It's really fast. I really do hope I could open up my own drone company. Really introduce other people in the drones, like kids in Memphis.
The CTE, we're all about exposure, opportunities, and so our STEM department, we just thought, what's a better way to expose our students than giving them real life experiences with drones. So we reached out to a Snapshot in Time, one of our amazing partners, and they're working with our students. There's so many opportunities with drones now, from agriculture to photography, you name it. So it's amazing. Some of our students have even received their FAA drone certification. I think we're up to 21, so we're so proud.